So our mission here at MuReva Phototherapy is to create oral phototherapy devices to advance the standard of cancer care. And the first application we're approaching to do this is in the area of oral mucositis. If you're not familiar with oral mucositis, it's a debilitating side effect of anti-cancer therapy. So whether you go through chemotherapy or radiation therapy, you can develop this as a side effect. It's characterized by an ulceration and inflammation of the soft tissues within the oral cavity. And in certain patient populations, like head and neck cancer patients, 100% of them will get this condition. About 2/3 of them will have a feeding tube by the time they finish CRT therapy, and the other third of them will be on high levels of narcotics just to help them get through the 6 to 8 weeks and deal with this tremendous pain that they're under from this side effect. So this is an absolutely debilitating problem for which there is no adequate solution on the market today. We've created the first market-ready solution that can actually help give these patients a way to prevent this side effect from occurring in the first place. And we've done it by using light.